Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate your support on the channel. So it's that time of the month again when it is a Glossybox month. I'm not showing you the other side because my name and address is on it. But yeah, Glossybox has turned up and I'm really impressed that it's turned up so quick, because I have spoken to one of my other friends and she still hasn't got the October box yet, which I just think is a real shame because that box was really good. I'm just hoping it's turned up for her by now, the October box, and then obviously the November box will follow behind it for her. Anyway, mine came today, which is the 5th of November, bonfire night. So happy bonfire to you all. Happy bonfire night to you all. I hope you have a great evening if you're doing anything. So yeah, we're just going to dive into the box. I don't want this video to be overly long, but I do want to show you the products. So just like always, it's just a normal like pink glossy box. So this is only my second box, so this is the first time I've received a pink one. I do like the limited edition boxes that they come out with. Normally these pink ones I don't keep. I tend to give these my mum and she puts her bits and bats in them, so I'll be taking this box to my mum's house later, showing her what I got, because she always likes to say, she always likes to see what's in my glossy box. She's rung me twice and said, "Are you happy with your box?" And I'm like, "I've not opened it yet, Mum. I'm just doing my makeup to go on camera." And she's like, "Oh, you like surprises, don't you?" And I'm like, well, I said I want to open it on camera this month, as I didn't do that. I opened it last month. I opened it and seen it and then showed you what I got. So it's a complete surprise. I have seen a couple of spoilers, but I've not watched any videos. I've just seen spoilers. I knew we were getting the palette. That was a spoiler from last month. So again, this is what it looks like. Let's get into this. I'm so excited. It feels like Christmas every time I get one of these in the month. I don't know why I stopped ordering from them originally. I think, well, I know it was because I was ordering from Deck of Scarlet and they're really expensive. It was $29 like every other month, and so I cancelled my Glossybox and my Birchbox. Birchbox to me has just gotten worse, unless I've got more picky with the products that I like. Glossybox, I've only had one box, so I can't really comment on it, but last month's box was absolutely amazing. So it comes like this. So I'm just going to untie the ribbon. Right, and what's this? Okay, Glossybox Makeup and Magic leaflet. Oh, it gives you a December sneak peek. So that's it there. You can see it. So it says, in December sneak peek, next month marks what us at Glossy HQ describes as the best time of the year. During colder seasons though, we know skin needs extra care, which is why next month we're bringing you Symbiosis, I think that's how you pronounce it, glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum, worth an incredible £102. Your skin will be left visibly firmer and healthier. Bring it on Glossybox. And then obviously you've got the products in there, which we'll go through. So as you can see, it's not been opened, so I'm going to open that now with you, and then you'll get to see the sneak peek before I do. So this is what it's looking like. So we're seeing it together here. Right, so I'm gonna go through it as it's in the brochure. So I'll read what's in the brochure. It says, "Make some magic. We know our glosses can never get enough of a little glitter, shimmer and glow. And with the end of the year fast approaching, we know you're more than ready to combine all free to create some magic, which is why in your November makeup and magic box you'll find amazing brands that will prepare you perfectly for any upcoming celebration. So pour yourself a glass of champagne, invite over your besties and begin conjuring up some gorgeous glam looks. I wish I could invite my bestie over. She lives on the other side of the world. She lives in Australia, so yes, can't really be doing that. But my mum's also my bestie as well, which I'll be going round later and showing her the box like I said earlier. So LA Splash Cosmetics, so that's the palette there. I'm just gonna get that out of the box. Okay, so I've never tried LA Splash Cosmetics before, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. It's really nice packaging. It says this palette is worth £29, which is quite expensive for like 8 eyeshadows, so let's hope it's a good one. So this is what it looks like. Isn't that packaging gorgeous? And I wasn't too sure at first whether I was going to keep it, because it is quite a warm toned eyeshadow palette, or whether I was going to put it away in a giveaway, but I'm really liking the look of these shimmers here. So I think I'm going to keep it for myself. I'm going to be a bit selfish there and keep it for myself, and we're going to have a play with that in an upcoming video. I won't do swatches in this one because I always do swatches in the video when I'm using it. So yeah, that's that one, and that one, I'm sure it's got a name. It just says Magic Palette. It's full size as well, by the way. It says summon mystical forces with the most magical highlighting palette ever created. Highlighting palette? It's an eyeshadow palette. Providing just the right balance of undertones, these 8 spellbinding shades complement any complexion, whether for day or night. Start by applying a lighter shade all over the lid, then add a darker shade to your outer crease and blend highly pigmented. These pressed powder shadows also allow for easy application with a minimum fallout. So that's that one, £29. And they do LA Splash on Beauty Bay. I've been eyeing up that Gatsby palette on there. I don't know if I'll get it. It depends on if I like the formula. So we're going to be trying this out soon. Right, so the next thing, I'm just going according to the booklet. It says Spectrum Collections Limited Edition B07 brush. Now I'm sure I got the B06 a long time ago. Last time I had Birchbox and Glossybox together. I don't know which box it came in, but it's a white brush, and I'm sure it's a B06. Let me, oh, it's here. No, it's not. It's a C06, so it's that one. I really enjoy it, guys. Right, so that one comes in this beautiful, beautiful packaging here. So it's the Spectrum Zodiac B07 Tall Crease Blender. So it says, add definition to otherworldly makeup with this tall pointed blender brush. The super soft synthetic bristles on this limited edition black and gold tool taper at the tip into a defined flame shape, which will effortlessly glide across the lid and into the crease of the eye, blending sweep emotions to create an enchanting eye look. And the regular retail price of this is £7.99. So yeah, it's limited edition. Just opening it up. Oh, that's beautiful. And that's what it looks like. So let's see. Let's try. Oh, it feels nice. You don't really want to see this. I'm just gonna blend my eyeshadow out a little bit. Yeah, that feels nice. Really like that. I do like Spectrum brushes though, just as much as Real Techniques. So that's that one. What's next up? Right, so I really don't know how to pronounce this. Cubella Professional Recharge and Restore. It's that one. So it's the Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. Recharges mind and rejuvenates the skin. So that's what it looks like. This one is worth £2.49. Lusting after radiant glowing skin. Yes. Well, this hydrating gel mask will cast a spell and make exactly that happen. Enriched with recharging moonstone extract and glitter shimmer particles, this mask will help leave your skin feeling bright and nourishing. Right, so I don't know where that cut off. So basically we're getting this mask. It's not a face mask, it's just like product. You put it all over your face, you leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off. So yeah, I'm happy to have that. I've never tried this product before, so I will be trying that and letting you know. Might even do it on camera. Right, so the next one is wrong in this brochure. Now I saw somebody else's box and I wanted what she had in her box, and they've sent me that one as well, so I am happy. So I was supposed to get Mud Masky, which is that one there, like a little size of it. Actually it says full size, yeah, and it was 40ml and it should have been worth £35. Never mind, I didn't get it. What I got instead is this. I can only read you what's on the actual back of it though, and it's the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It's 50ml as well, so I don't know if that's full size. I presume it is. It's the Australian Botanicals with Davidson Plum, and it just tells you how to use it, so I'm not gonna be boring and tell you how to use that. It says it refines, brightens, illuminates and nurtures. So I'm really looking forward to using this. Yeah. So that one is up next. I can't tell you how much it is. Maybe I can look online and see if I can get the price. See if it is actually full price. And the last thing isn't full size, but I will get a few hair uses out of it. And I've wanted to try argan oil for a while now, argan oil from Morocco, and my hair is in bad shape, guys. So it is this, right, so this product is from haskbeauty.com. It's the Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner Serum. Formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco, this deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. Super strengthening and intensely hydrating massage this miracle working product into clean wet hair, focusing on damaging areas, leaving on for up to 10 minutes before rinsing well. I'm really looking forward to trying out these. Normally I don't bother with these kind of packs, but my hair is in terrible condition. It's because one minute I'll have it curly and then I'll get so fed up with it because it gets knotty so easily. But I have just bought one of those wet brushes, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to start trying to use that and trying again to wear it curly, because that is my natural hair state. It is curly, and every time I go and straighten it I'm obviously damaging it. So I'm going to be using this, and I will give you an update on what I think of it. Right, so let's get all these products. I can't give you an overall value though, because I don't know how much this is, but if it's full size I don't imagine it would have been cheap. I'm going to try and find out the price, and then I'll give you an overall price at the end of everything. So let's try and hold these up so you can actually see them. Right, so this is what we got in this month's box. So you do obviously get the 5 items. I'm more impressed with the eyeshadow palette. I heard someone say you do get a lot of masks. Right, you get a hair mask and 2 face masks. I do appreciate where she's coming from. We don't need all these face masks. I don't actually mind having these two. I've not tried either product, so I'd like to try them, but I understand, like, for long-term glossy box holders, I understand why they would want to see something else in there, maybe another makeup item or even a tool. But yeah, I don't actually mind the products that I've got. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, keep an eye out for a video with this gorgeous palette here, because I will be using it really soon. I'll be doing you get 8 shades, don't you? Maybe, yeah, we'll do a 3 days free looks because you get free shimmers. We'll do a 3 days free looks with that. So that will be coming really soon. Maybe I'll pull it out next week for a Shop My Stash, as obviously, you know, I have just got the box now and I should really be using it as soon as I possibly can. But I do really recommend this box. I know it for sure it was probably worth more than £50 like last month's box is, and I only pay £13.25 a month. I'm going to see in the next couple of months if I'm really happy with it, like I've been happy with the previous 2 boxes. If I am, I'm going to cancel it and I'm going to renew the subscription again, and I'm going to get a year's subscription, and then it works itself out a little bit cheaper. It's £11.25 if you get a year, I think. So yeah, I'll save myself a couple of pounds there, and obviously a couple of pounds a month works out quite a lot. So yeah, I think I'll be doing that. Anyway guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to tell me down in the comments below if you get Glossybox, what is your favourite item from this month's box. I would really appreciate you letting me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.